Mirango ya thukuru guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ihingitwo kwa ihinda thutha wa mathomo gutharario ni king'uki gia coronavirus, no riu kuri na mwihoko kuona kuhitukira nenda cia kiiriu mathomo university-ini nyingi guku bururi-ini ni mambitie gucokereria. Kwambiriria kiumia giukite arutwo 2,400 ni matanyitwo kwambiriria mathomo university-ini ya Embu, o murutwo agithomera kwa mucii kuhitukira mutambo wa kompyuta.
We have admitted a total of 2,475 new students. Among these, 1,430 are males, while 1,045 are female. This brings the total number of students in the university during the 2020-2021 academic year to 80,435 students, up from 7,362.
Akiaria hindi ya kunyitwo geni arutwo aya, Vice Chancellor University no Professor Daniel Mugendi nioritie arutwo aya gukorwo makihimbiria mutaratara uyu.
Learning on being in a virtual classroom will bring an entirely new and different experience. To some of you, you may feel lost or the expectations may be confusing. Hence, you will need to adapt quickly to the new learning mode. You need to free yourself from the traditional mindset, which makes it difficult for you to adapt to new changes.
Oho akiuria arutwo aria mari matura-ini mamwe kana maria makuhaniriirie gukorwo magithondeka ngurubu cia mathomo niguo mahote guteithaniriria.
Use your own initiative even without the assistance of others. 2. Identify your study needs and implement appropriate study strategies. And 3. Evaluate yourself constantly to see how you are faring and where you need to improve.
Arutwo aya ni megukorwo makiamukira mathomo mauria o mundu arihotaga kunyitanira na murutani niguo kumahotithia kwambiriria mathomo kiumia giukite.
We'll teach you how to learn under these very unique circumstances that we are facing. That is, using the online blended learning approach. So I urge you and I invite you to make sure that you do not miss the remaining sessions of this preparation, so that come Monday at 7 in the morning, you will be ready to start your classes.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawaduro.